Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shukla. Welcome to Learning with Dr. Shukla. Have you ever tried scratching glass or a coin with your fingernail? Why can your nail scratch some materials but not others? Let us understand the simple science behind hardness and discover how scientists compare minerals using the Mohs scale. First, what is a mineral? A mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic substance made of one or more elements. As you can see some examples on the screen, each mineral has a definite chemical composition, an ordered internal structure, and distinctive physical properties, even though we cannot see these internal features with our naked eyes. Now, here is an interesting point. Coal and petroleum originate from organic materials, so they are not true minerals in a strict mineralogical terms. However, they are often grouped as mineral resources because they occur naturally within the earth. Most minerals are solids with a rare exception such as mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Water is considered a mineral only when it exists naturally as solid ice. And what about mineral water in bottles? The water itself is not a mineral. It simply contains dissolved minerals like calcium and magnesium. Science is often more precise than everyday language. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. A rock is a hard, compact, naturally occurring earth material composed of one or more minerals and is generally durable for engineering applications. Now, what is hardness? Hardness is the resistance of a mineral to a scratching or abrasion. Hardness is determined by scratching a mineral of unknown hardness with minerals of known hardness. The principle is simple. A harder mineral scratches a softer one. In practice, we use a standard scale of 10 reference minerals called the Mohs scale of hardness, as you can see on the screen. This scale was introduced in 1812 by the German geologist and mineralogist Friedrich Mohs. On the scale, hardness increases from 1 for talc, the softest mineral, to 10 for diamond, the hardest natural mineral. Where is diamond? It is number 10 on the Mohs scale, but it is often not included in simple teaching kits. As you can see in the picture, we do not always need the full set of standard minerals. In practice, simple objects such as your fingernail, a copper coin or a strip, a knife blade or bar magnet, window glass, or a porcelain plate can help us estimate hardness quickly and effectively. Now, here is a question for you. Can you explore and estimate the approximate hardness of these and other everyday materials around you? Your fingernail has a hardness of about 2.5. So, it can scratch very soft materials like talc. It cannot scratch quartz, which has hardness of 7. And certainly not diamond. This is why different minerals behave differently, even if they look similar. This simple scratch test allows geologists and engineers to identify minerals and rocks in the field. Without advanced instruments. A simple idea but very powerful. Hardness is important in construction, mining, manufacturing, and engineering. When we select aggregates or study ground materials, understanding hardness helps ensure safety and durability. Fundamentals always come first. I leave you with a question. Is diamond truly the hardest material? Diamond is the hardest natural material on the Mohs scale, but science continues to explore materials that may be even harder. Explore further and you may discover something new. Just like minerals, not everything in life has the same hardness. Some situations are soft, some are hard. True strength is not about appearance, it is about resistance and resilience. Before judging, test. Before assuming, understand. Observe, think, and learn. Please subscribe if you found this episode useful. See you in the next episode.